Hello everyone, this is a Sentinel guide for Windows hot wallet for NYXCOIN. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the installation. Sentinel helps you to prevent watchdog expired message in your masternode status, so it must be installed at any cost. First step, you have to download your Sentinel for Windows. Press the link and go to that folder. Okay, extract and copy these files and go to NYX folder and create Sentinel folder and paste here. Okay, now you have to show the Sentinel where is your NYXCOIN file located. There is one more important thing that you should know about. If you make installation of your main NYX wallet to default folder, then you doesn't need to edit this file. You can use a Sentinel Win64 file, just launch it and it will work automatically. But if you install your masternode depending on the official manual on the website, then it will better to use this file and make some corrections. Just right button click and select edit. More info and run anyway, don't worry about that. Delete the string and copy from the manual this one. You have to show the path where your NYXCOIN file is located. If your NYXCOIN file located in another place, just input another address. But if you make all the manuals with me, then your con file will be located in this folder. So just paste file and save. Now you can close it. And now we can start it. Right button click and press run as administrator. It will be better. If it suddenly closed, don't worry, just try one more time. If it doesn't show up, then just press open. Okay, it will offer you to start the Sentinel. You have to wait 30 seconds or just press one button on your keyboard. And running Sentinel means that everything is working fine. You can just minimize the screen and your Sentinel will continue work. Okay, if you show something like this, then it's working. And one more thing I want to tell you, this is a hot wallet Windows manual, so if you want your masternode working fine, just do not close your NYX core software and do not close your Sentinel window. It must be working all day and all night. So just stay tuned and good luck.